Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of the No Porn Challenge. By now you are probably experiencing a little tingle of benefit of this challenge, and that could be in increased confidence, in feeling a little bit happier, and just noticing things more, whether it's appreciating music more or enjoying food a little bit more. At this point, it might be very subtle, but if you've been doing this for a while, you may be experiencing it right away. I know I have. Another thing you might notice is that when you're walking, you're not really walking with your eyes down. You catch yourself looking straight up like a confident person would, right? And that is another little sign that you're on the right path, and it's only going to go up from here. So congratulations if you made it to day 3. So today, I also want to add that you could summarize it as increased sensitivity. As you progress in this goal, as your dopamine receptors get a break from being bombarded with stimulation, your brain sort of starts to reset and you start to gain sensitivity that you normally wouldn't have had because you're numbed out, constantly bombarding your sensors, right? So, excuse me. So with that increased sensitivity, you might also notice your cravings start to spike. You might notice anxiety start to increase, and I want you to just be aware of those things and just calm down. It's totally normal. Also, you might start to catch yourself getting triggered quite easily, and I'm going to teach you a technique later on, probably tomorrow, on how you can protect yourself from going down the path of intense cravings that spiral into a reset, helping you keep on track with the 30-day challenge. So for today, though, I want to give you one quick and powerful tip. Whenever you get rid of a habit, whether it's porn, alcohol, smoking, as you eliminate habits, you want to replace them with something new. The mistake most people make is they just stop and then they rip something out of themselves and then they're empty and they move along like an empty shell. What I want you to think about is replacing the porn habit with a new habit. You could do one habit, you could do 2, you could do as many as you want, but I recommend add one thing that you absolutely love, that you've always wanted to do, whether it be a hobby or an intellectual pursuit or maybe a new goal physically. For me personally, this year, I decided to invest in a bunch of hiking gear. I bought hiking boots, a hiking pack, and my goal, the new replacement habit that I'm going to be implementing, is hiking a new trail every week, exploring this beautiful country, this land that I live in. That is my replacement habit, and it gets me really excited. It fills me up. I'm really excited about exploring, hiking. I just love it so much, and that is my replacement habit. Now, what happens when you do a replacement habit with something you love, not something silly? What you do is you actually fire yourself back up, and you feel good, and your dopamine receptors start firing off, and you're basically getting that feel-good stimulation that you were getting from porn. So, I mean, it sounds so simple, but it's so important. So what I want you to do is comment below, what is your replacement habit that you're going to implement instead of porn? Name as many as you want, but most importantly, one that you can stick to consistently that actually makes you happy. It could be anything. We're going to talk about the 6 core needs of every human being, and how if you're deficient in any one of these core needs, you're going to need to fill yourself up with something like porn. We're going to talk about that, and we're going to talk about filling up those gaps in the 6 core needs. Most people that suffer with this addiction are individuals that are deficient in one of these 6 categories. And a great example is the physical category. Now, when I'm replacing my physical stimulation with hiking, I'm feeling great, and that's just one of 6 categories. So we're going to jump more into that. We got many days ahead of us, so let's not get too carried away. And for now, just focus on your one replacement habit. Comment below. I would love to see what you guys come up with. A great thing about sharing in the comments below is it gives other people ideas as well. I mean, not only for this 30-day challenge, but for the years ahead. that people may reuse and watch these videos. So comment below. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.